What's going on, everyone? If you've got a bike with conventional forks, right side up forks, and your fork boots are looking a little sad, it's time to upgrade to a new set of Tusk Fork Boots. This thing is going to make your bike look brand new, but there's a lot of other added benefits. So let's get into these and show you exactly why you want to throw these on your bike. All right, so fork boots are a huge deal on bikes with conventional forks. If you have got fork boots that are looking way sad on your bike, got cracks, got rips, maybe aren't even there anymore, you are leaving your fork seals and dust seals in danger. It's gonna wear out your fork seals super fast, but also you're running the risk of getting nicks and scratches on your fork legs. So everything in that is shortening the lifespan of your fork seals and bringing you closer to costly repairs. With these new Tusk Fork Boots, you're gonna be getting a brand new set of rubber boots, as well as the zip ties needed to hold this onto your fork on the top and bottom. Now we do offer this in any color you want, as long as it's black, as Henry Ford would say. We also offer this in 3 different sizes. Now this is going to be tailor-made for all sorts of different bikes, but one of the most important things is going to be measuring your fork tubes, both up on the top and down on the bottom where these are gonna attach, to make sure you get the size that's perfect for you. Now for the smallest size, this is going to be 215 millimeters tall with a 28 millimeter opening on the top and a 50 millimeter opening on the bottom. This is gonna be for bikes like XR80s, XR100s, KLX 140s, stuff like that. The smaller ones are gonna use this size. The second size that we've got is 250 millimeters tall with a 32 millimeter opening on the top and a 60 millimeter opening on the bottom. This is gonna be bikes like the CRF 150Fs, 230s, KDX 200s, stuff like that. Bikes like that are gonna use this size. Now the last size we've got is the big dog. This thing is 350 millimeters tall with a 41 millimeter opening on the top and a 58 millimeter opening on the bottom. This is gonna be for your DRZ 400s, KLX 650s, XR 600s. This is the one for the big bikes. Now, we do have you covered with this range of sizes, but be sure to put in your year, make, and model of machine on the product page, or go out and measure your bike before ordering. As always, if you're looking to get yours, jump on the link below or go to RockyMountainATVMC.com. As always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, and thanks so much for watching.